Okay guys, I want to actually show these to you and check so you can check these out. These are the Vesafe tire pressure monitoring systems. And so let's pop this box open real quick so you can actually take a look at it. So this is the system itself. It is solar powered, or it actually can be connected directly to a data cable. It comes with 4 sensors, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is for your left front, left rear, right front, right rear. And they actually are labeled on it so you know exactly where to put them. Now, the reason this is a really cool little system is, one, it's solar powered, so you don't actually have to have it hooked up directly to a system, and they communicate directly with each of these little sensors. Or on the side right here, you do actually have a data port cable where you can actually plug this into one of the USB plugs on your vehicle. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually install one of these plugs on my left front side, or actually my right front side, and show you exactly how the readings work. Now, this is the sensor. As you can see, it's got the little plug on the inside that actually goes into your air valve, or your air stem valve. So we're going to install this, show you what it does, and show you the readings that you get on this, and why it's important to have something like this, especially if you own an older model vehicle that doesn't automatically monitor your tire pressure. Valve stem cap, the old one, and you're going to install the new one. Let's get this on. There we go. And it's now putting pressure against the little sensor on the inside, and should be able to pick up a reading on the little monitor. So now that we have it all hooked up, we're going to push the power button and hold it. You'll hear an audible beep. And now at this point, you're going to see that there's going to be some readings on here. And now it's telling me my right front tire is at 31 pounds of pressure. So I need to put a little bit of air pressure in this one because these tires are rated for 35 pounds. So it tells me the temperature inside of my tire is 77 degrees. And like I said, the air pressure is 31 degrees. Now, if I install all 4 of these sensors, it's going to give me a tire pressure reading for every one of the tires. Now, this kit comes with everything. Comes with a little dash mount pad where you can put this on this pad, mount it directly to your dash, so that way you can monitor your tire pressure on the go. This is perfect right here, literally, for people that like to do off-roading in Jeeps and old Broncos and stuff like that, because those vehicles, a lot of the older ones, do not have a way to monitor your tire pressure. Well, this is going to actually do that. So let's go over some of the specifications that are on the packaging to tell you exactly what it is that this thing is going to monitor. First of all, it tells you on the box, DIY installation, easily installation. You can go through and actually select the units you want, PSI or bar, and you can do Fahrenheit or Celsius. And it's simply by holding down the set button. Everything up here is touch. Hold down the set button and it throws you into the settings, so you can actually set the settings for your device. It gives you real-time reading data for 24-hour real-time readings, adjustable alert levels, so you can actually be driving and set the alerts on this device to actually to alert you while you're driving. It gives you your accurate PSI readings within plus or minus 1 pound. Fast leakage alert, so if you get a puncture in one of your tires, it's going to alert you and let you know your tire is deflating. It gives you a pressure and temperature alerts. Light and small, these are very light and small sensors. These sensors are water resistant, and they have anti-theft devices that you can actually add to this, to where you actually have to have a special little wrench to get this off. So somebody's not just going to come along and unscrew this off of here. And here's another little wrench that you're going to use to actually tighten it in conjunction with this wrench and the little hex nuts that they provide. And it's got little covers right here that you can put over it that are going to protect it from the elements. So, is this something that I would recommend? Absolutely. I've got a ton of friends that do a lot of off-roading, overlanding, and going up into the mountains and stuff. And this little device right here is going to be a game changer for them. It's going to help them with their fuel economy. It's going to help them monitor and watch their tires to make sure they're in good condition. Because when you're out doing that kind of stuff and your tire pressures get all out of whack and everything, it can severely either damage your vehicle or affect your fuel economy. So this is something that you want to monitor on your vehicle. Now, a lot of the newer vehicles have an alert system to let you know when the tire is low. However, this is going to give you actual number readings on everything in your vehicle, on your tires. So yes, this is something I would recommend, especially if you're an outdoors person that likes to get their vehicles off-road.